I just have to share this cookbook with you guys. This is the Healthy Girl Kitchen cookbook. This is a 100+ recipes of plant-based foods. I am so excited to show you this because I actually got this as a gift for my birthday, and I was just like, dang, my sister knows what I need and want to try because I have been like really into consuming healthy foods lately, and this is just something I need to help me along my journey. The recipes are divided into different categories, which is amazing because I need that in my life. For example, the breakfast, it has different kinds. It has sweets, it has something like this is what I personally love. Oh, that looks so good. And that's not eggs, you guys, that's tofu. There's also salads. There are also pasta and soups. Oh, I want to try those soups so bad. But when I was flipping through these, I definitely saw some recipes that I want to try first. And this one is definitely one of them. This black bean babe tacos. I love beans. Peanut noodles. Oh, this is tofu turned into chicken tenders. There's just so many. Oh my gosh. Like the ones that I'm showing you with my hand movements, these are the ones that I really want to try. That looks good too. Like literally. Well, I don't like chocolate, so that's not that good. But it also has an index in the back, so if you're looking for something, it's easy to find. I hope you guys will try out this cookbook and love it.